A lesson from the world's game. The world's game's the sport of soccer. 204 countries competed for the last World Cup, and I want to share this important lesson from the sport of soccer with you. I'm Kevin Graham, a Managing Director of Empowered Sales Training. The most important thing for a soccer player is vision. The most important thing for a soccer team is communication. The vision of the player and the ability of the team to communicate are critical to the success of the team on the field. I believe that these same qualities and capabilities are critical to your success as a sales professional, manager, or executive. Empowered Sales Training offers custom programs for sales success. Contact us today at the number on the screen or online at empoweredsalestraining.com.